Today's video is a plan with me and my Hobonichi cousin and 3 effective ways of pre-planning your week. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to plan in my Hobonichi cousin using my sticker kit called Unicorn Birthday. I'm going to start with my foundation stickers, which are my date cover-ups, my bottom bar stickers, as well as my time cover-ups. And later, I'm going to show you 3 effective ways of pre-planning your week. Recently, I've been starting my day watching motivational videos from YouTube. My favorite currently is Michelle B. I'm gonna leave her links down below as much as I can, or probably just her name. So it's Michelle B. She is Australian and she is amazing. I've been following her for a good year and she has always been very helpful in terms of getting me going, getting me excited about life, and helping me with my procrastination, of which I am expert at already. Here I'm starting with my right page. I always do it left page first, then right page when I put down my foundation stickers, because I can't do it both pages at the same time. Like if I put down my bottom bar, cannot be right page and then left page. I do not know why. Now I'm going to start decorating my sidebar, starting with this week box, and then urgent box, important box, habit tracker, and then decorative box. Here I'm putting down a cupcake, a birthday cupcake, because this week is my birthday week. If you watch my Plan With Me video in my weeks, Hobonichi weeks, then you would know that I am very excited for this week as it is my birthday. I do not have major plans. I'm not gonna go anywhere or do anything extra special that will take up a lot of time because I am a very busy girl, but it's still a great way to commemorate my birthday in my planner using a very special kit. So if you are like me and you do not have time to go out and do something extra for your birthday, you can just do it in your planner. The kit I'm using here is full of unicorns and very birthday-y on account of all the birthday sweets, because my favorite animals are imaginary animals apart from cats. I'm pretty sure they're not imaginary. Correct me if I'm wrong. I decided to give myself a little treat and make a unicorn birthday kit because that's just gonna make me real happy on the week of my birthday. And I wasn't wrong. I mean, this spread just give me so much joy and so much life. For me, planning should be easy and fun. That way, you don't spend too much time and later when you get tired and you're just gonna get frustrated. So what we do is we make sure that our kits are streamlined to give you the things you need and options, several options for some of the other things that you want to add. That's why I've got boxes and deco. I know a lot of kits have that, but we try to curate our kits, our kit formats in particular, to make sure that you only get the stuff you need and some options. I hope that you guys like the way we do our kits. I don't know if there are other planner shops that do kits like we do, especially Hobonichi Cousin and Hobonichi Weeks, but so far my kits, the way I make them, is what works for me. If you like that, go ahead and visit our website, paperjoyph.com. I'll link it down below as usual because I just copy paste my description. And if you notice that unicorn's leg, I kind of cut it off, but I put it back together, performing sticker surgery. That's a good thing about stickers. Just be very careful when you peel it off, not like me. I must have been in so much of a hurry. I don't know what's gonna happen that day I was filming this. Maybe I was gonna go out. Maybe I was tired. Maybe I was hungry. Likely I was hungry. So for the extra stickers, I'm just putting it down on some spots that do not have much in it, like those half boxes. I'm always left with a lot of half box or mini boxes, as well as headers. And there we go. Finished spread with nothing on it. I mean, no ink. Later, we will ink it. So those are my empties, and we are completely done with all our decoration. So now we're going to start with 3 ways to effectively pre-plan your week. Here are the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need pens. You should get 1, option of 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. This notepad and this gorgeous sticky note. So in love, so me. I've already put down some of the sticky notes for things I know that's going to happen. First tip is to start listing down different aspects of your life or your different goals. That way you section off everything, and when you list it down, you can see everything in one go. It's like a KonMari method. What sparks joy equals what should matter most. Next part, you're going to write down your priorities. That would be your vague goals. Next to that, you'll put in your action steps in order to achieve those goals. So for me, I have school, I need to write a paper, I have work, I teach kids. And for my shop, so many promotion, it's promotion week, and then a week after that, it's new releases week again. So yeah. And then home life, I need to go see my mama for my birthday because she asked me to very vigorously. Tip number 3 is know how much time each task would require, because not all tasks are made the same way and require the same things. For example, for my paper at school, because it takes me so long to write a paper, I always self-doubt what I have written and then scrap it all and start again. I need a full day, like you're looking at a 10-hour day. That's not very realistic, but I got breaks in between. Next, you will also write down your littles, if you have them, in a separate page, because what's going to happen is that you are going to plan around your priorities. You're going to plan your littles around your priorities. They are littles. That's why they're called littles. That's what you put around your day outside of your big things to do. I prefer to write everything down on sticky notes. Like, here's a bonus tip. You can write it down on different types of sticky notes so that you know which is which. Separate your big ticket tasks and your littles tasks, because those are not the priority, them littles. I cannot stress that enough. Sometimes when I procrastinate, I put or consider littles as big stuff. They are not, and I need to focus. It's also helpful to write down which aspect the specific task is about, like I have school, shop, work, and other things. That's why I like colorful sticky notes. Sticky notes are life, guys. I'm so obsessed with them right now. Of course, you need to assign tasks for each day once you start going through your planner or going through your week in your planner. So here I'm just putting it on top of sticky notes that are already on it. I'm putting my shop sticky note on the sidebar because I know that I need to do it for more than a day. Alright, and now let's start our week with planning. I always plan my week on a Monday. You don't have to do that. I know a lot of people plan their week on a Saturday, or rather a Sunday, or the weekends. But me, I like Monday. I have some time on Monday. That's why I just choose to better my week by planning it very rigorously. Now, when I say rigorously, this is the time where you can put down buffer time for yourself. And here I'm going to use some of these stickers. That one is from Craft.with.UndomesticDiva, my girl, shout out, as well as my Joy stickers. So I'm just using it to populate my empty spaces. Now here's a special sticker. I asked this from her as a friend so I can get it as a freebie so that I can use it to mark motivation days. It's very important. That sticker that I'm holding, well, Hans is holding, is a creative cat sticker that says no school because it's research day for my class. I'm also going to use Craft.with.UndomesticDiva stickers for motivation, so quotes and such like. And we are actually done! And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also, when you subscribe, kindly click that bell icon so you can be updated about all my videos. All my sticker kits are from paperjoyph.com. If you like them, buy them! Buy them! Thank you very much once again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!